Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter that is index number. Write down the next side heading. Wholesale price index, that is WPI. Under that write down the wholesale price index measures the relative change in price of commodities traded in the wholesale market. So what was retail price index? Commodities in retail market, and wholesale price index is commodities traded in wholesale markets. So in India, the wholesale price index number is calculated as weekly basis. So first the base year was 2004, but currently the base year is 2011 and 12. So commodity group and weightage of whole price index number. In India, all the commodities has been classified in the following three groups. Under primary article, we have 98 commodities like rice, fruit, pulses, vegetables, and non-food items like cotton, jute, meals. Weightage, it has 22.02%. Then we have fuel, power, light and lubricants. These will include 19 items like coal, petroleum products, electricity, LPG. The weightage is 14.23. Then we have manufacturing. It includes 380 items like textiles, sugar, paper, machinery, chemical, fertilizer, leather, etc. The weightage is 63.75. Next we have uses of wholesale price index number. First one is forecasting demand and supply. So wholesale price indices are often used to forecast the demand and supply in the economy. An increase in wholesale price index is an indication of excess demand. It is a situation where the demand will be more than the supply. And when the wholesale price index decreases, it means that the demand has been decreased and it is less than the supply. Next we have second one, estimation of monetary value and real value. So the wholesale price index can be used to estimate the monetary value and real value of aggregates like national income and expenditure, and monetary value is estimated at current year prices, whereas the real value is estimated at base year prices. So the formula can be real aggregate of current year is equal to monetary aggregate of current year into price index of base year divided by price index of current year. And the third one we have indicator of rate of inflation. So wholesale price index indicates the rate of inflation in the country. It refers to the rate at which prices tend to increase over the time. Clear? Take down the next side heading. Index number of industrial production. Under that write down index number of industrial production is that index which measures the relative increase or decrease in the level of industrial output in a country in comparison to the level of production in the base year. So this will measure the increase or decrease in the level of industrial output in a country, which will be compared to the level of production in the base year. So in this case, the base year will be 2004 and 5. Okay. Next, construction of index number of industrial production. So they'll be having the following steps. Under that, first one is classification of industries. Whether the industry is classified into mining, manufacturing or electricity. Next we have statistics or data related to industrial production. So the data relating to the production of the above mentioned industries, that is the mining, manufacturing, electricity, are collected either monthly, quarterly or yearly. Write down the last one, that is weightage. So weights are given on the basis of relative importance of different industries. So in this, the weights are classified as follows. In mining it is 10.47, manufacturing 79.36 and electricity it is 10.17. So the formula for this is index number of industrial production is equal to summation Q1 by Q0 divided by summation W into W into 100. So it is summation Q1 by Q0 into W divided by summation W into 100, where Q1 is level of production in the current year, Q0 is level of production in the base year, W is weight or relative importance of industrial output. So take down an illustration. Construct index number of industrial production from the following data. They have given us base year, current year, weights, output, and they have also given us the units. So industry is given base year, current year. We need to find R. W has been given. So industry Q0 Q1, R is equal to Q1 by Q0 into 100. Then we have W, then we have R into W. Manufacturing production 122 300. Electric products 203 400. Mining 65 87. So R is 300 divided by 122 into 100, it is 245.90. 400 by 203 into 100, 197. 87 divided by 65 into 100 is 134. Then we have weights 85, 5, 10. R into W 245.90 into 85, that is 20,901.50. 197 into 5, 985. 134 into 10, 1340. So summation W is 100. Summation RW is 23,226.50. So what is the formula? Summation RW divided by summation W. 23,226.50 divided by 100, it is 232.27. Clear? So that's all for today. In the next class, we will be starting with the miscellaneous illustration. So that's all for today. Thank you.